AI model aids mathematician in proof development.
Robert Grest, a mathematics professor, utilized OpenAI's GPT-01 Mini to create a complex mathematical proof related to the bottleneck duality theorem. Initial attempts with other AI models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 proved frustrating, often resulting in subtle errors in the conclusions. The breakthrough with GPT-01 Mini allowed Grist to analyze an incorrect proof, identify its flaws, and generate a more elegant and correct proof in just 43 seconds. Although the AI contributed significantly, Grist acknowledged that accomplishing the task without AI could have been faster and easier. He highlighted the importance of understanding AI's limitations and exploring areas where traditional methods might still outperform AI-driven approaches.
Elon Musk's XAI recruiting event reveals ambitious plans.
Elon Musk held a recruiting event for his startup XAI at OpenAI's former headquarters, aiming to attract top AI talent amid rising competition. He emphasized his vision of creating benign digital superintelligence and encouraged engineers to innovate quickly with XAI's offerings. Musk believes artificial general intelligence, AGI, could be achieved within a few years and plans to open source XAI's models about 9 months after their initial release. Differentiating XAI from competitors, Musk highlighted a commitment to maximum truth-seeking AI, reflecting his discontent with closed AI systems used by companies like OpenAI.
Microsoft and OpenAI, a sibling-like competition.
Microsoft AI CEO Mustafa Suleyman describes the relationship with OpenAI as akin to siblings who occasionally compete but maintain a good bond. Microsoft has been heavily investing in OpenAI since 2019, including a recent investment that brings its total to $13 billion. Despite collaboration, Microsoft is developing its own large language model known as AI-1, while OpenAI launches its new models like GPT-4o. Suleyman emphasizes that competition fosters innovation, viewing it as a natural and beneficial aspect of their relationship.
OpenAI launches real-time voice API with high costs for developers.
OpenAI has introduced a real-time API that allows developers to send and receive spoken language inputs during model inference. This new feature significantly raises costs, charging developers $5 for each million audio input tokens and $20 for audio output tokens. Additionally, a process called LLM distillation will enable developers to train smaller language models using data from larger models more efficiently. OpenAI has also added image fine-tuning capabilities, allowing developers to enhance models like GPT-4o using real-world image datasets.
Google Lens introduces video search feature.
Google Lens now allows users to perform searches using video, enhancing its capabilities by letting users ask questions verbally about what they see in the video. This feature utilizes Google's Gemini AI model to analyze the video content along with the spoken query to provide relevant information. Additionally, Lens is updating its photo search to support voice queries, though currently this functionality is available only in English.
OpenAI secures major funding while limiting rival support.
OpenAI has raised $6.6 billion, aiming to advance frontier AI models and expand its computing capabilities while targeting a valuation of $157 billion. The company has requested investors not to fund rival AI startups like XAI and Anthropic, raising concerns about its impact on the broader AI ecosystem. OpenAI plans to leverage agent-based AI systems as a key growth driver, expecting them to reach mainstream adoption by 2025.
Google tests Gemini AI video search feature in India.
Google is currently testing a generative AI-powered video search feature in India, allowing users to interact with videos using Google Lens and ask questions via the Gemini AI model. To access this feature, users must sign up for the AI Overviews and More experiment in Google Search Labs. However, details on video length requirements remain unspecified. Google is enhancing its multimodal search capabilities in India, where a significant number of users prefer vocal interaction with Gemini over text.
Google advances AI initiatives in India.
Google is enhancing its AI capabilities in India with the introduction of its Gemini model for improved search, visual recognition, and language processing, which are crucial for the diverse multilingual population. The company is launching Gemini Live, an AI assistant designed for natural conversation in Hindi, and planning to support 8 additional languages, while its search tool, AI Overviews, will soon include more local languages as well. Google is also integrating AI features into Maps for tailored user experiences and introducing AI tools for merchants to boost their online visibility, reflecting its commitment to leveraging AI in the Indian market.
Google expands Gemini Live language support.
Google's AI chatbot, Gemini Live, will soon support over 40 languages for conversational use. Users can engage with the assistant in 2 languages simultaneously and access it through various Google services. Currently available only on Android, Google has not announced plans for iPhone compatibility.
OpenAI introduces Canvas feature to enhance ChatGPT experience.
OpenAI has launched a new feature called Canvas for ChatGPT, enabling users to see and edit chatbot outputs in a side-by-side view. Built on the GPT-4o model, Canvas allows for direct suggestions and modifications without generating new responses, competing with Anthropic's Artifacts feature. The feature is currently rolling out to ChatGPT Plus and Teams users, and it aims to simplify tasks like writing and coding by allowing easy revisions and comparisons.
Google introduces ads in AI overviews and AI organized search pages.
Google is adding ads to its AI-generated summaries, known as AI overviews, as part of a strategy to enhance its search functionality and compete with AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT. The new feature will show relevant ads alongside summaries, while also linking to pertinent web pages to improve user experience and engagement. Additionally, Google is launching AI-organized search results pages that compile diverse content types without advertisements, aiming for a richer search experience.
Gemini Live expands language support for AI voice chat.
Google has expanded its Gemini Live AI voice chat to include languages such as French, German, Portuguese, Hindi, and Spanish. The company aims to support over 40 languages in the coming weeks, building on a rapid rollout since its mid-August launch. In addition, forthcoming Gemini extensions for Calendar, Tasks, and Keep will enhance the assistant's capabilities, although their release timeline remains vague.
Meta integrates AI-generated selfies into social media feeds.
Meta is testing new features that will include AI-generated images of users in their Facebook and Instagram feeds. Only those who have used the Imagine Me feature and added photos can see AI-generated content tailored to their interests or trending topics. While users can opt out from seeing these images, the feature raises concerns about privacy and content relevance among social media analysts.
Sam Altman envisions the future of AI interaction.
At the OpenAI Dev Days event, CEO Sam Altman revealed his vision for a new AI system that transforms user interaction through real-time personalized interfaces generated by advanced reasoning models. He foresees a collaboration with Jony Ive to create innovative AI devices that prioritize voice control, diverging from conventional smartphones. Altman believes that upcoming AI agents will significantly expedite complex tasks, indicating a transformative impact on productivity and efficiency within the next few years.
Google introduces ads in AI search summaries.
Google is now integrating ads into its AI-generated search summaries, which will include product suggestions linked to search queries with a commercial aspect. These ads will appear under a sponsored label and aim to help users find relevant products quickly. In addition, Google is enhancing the visibility of cited web pages and introducing AI-organized search pages for mobile users in the US, focused on recipe-related queries.
Gemini Live launches for all Android users with multi-language support.
Google has made Gemini Live available for free on all Android devices, allowing users to engage in natural conversations with the AI assistant. The service now supports 6 languages, including English, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Hindi, enhancing accessibility for a broader audience. In contrast to ChatGPT's voice mode, which is limited to paid subscribers, Gemini Live is open to all users without a subscription requirement.
Recent developments in ChatGPT and OpenAI's innovations.
OpenAI has launched a new interface called Canvas for ChatGPT, enabling users to create and edit writing or code with enhanced functionalities rolling out in beta for select subscribers. The company recently raised $6.6 billion, pushing its valuation to $157 billion, and announced a new API that allows developers to create nearly real-time speech-to-speech applications using specific voices provided by OpenAI. OpenAI unveiled its new model, GPT-4o, now the default free model, which includes voice and vision capabilities, but temporarily halted one of its voices, Sky, after user concerns about its resemblance to a celebrity.
Enhanced AI features announced for Google Search.
Google is introducing new AI functionalities for search, starting with AI-organized web results focused initially on recipes and meal inspiration. Updates to Google Lens now allow for video and voice searches, enabling users to ask complex questions about moving images and enhancing shopping features with richer product information. AI overviews will also see changes, including the introduction of links and ads aimed at driving traffic to supporting web pages.
OpenAI secures significant funding for future growth.
OpenAI has acquired a $4 billion credit facility from major banks, boosting its liquidity to $10 billion to support its growth and new initiatives. With a current valuation around $157 billion, OpenAI aims to advance beyond merely generative AI and is focused on achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. The company is already collaborating with banks to integrate its large language models into their operations, with notable applications emerging in financial institutions like Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan.
OpenAI secures major funding for AI innovation.
OpenAI has raised $6.6 billion in the largest venture capital round ever, boosting its valuation to $157 billion and positioning it alongside major tech firms like TikTok and SpaceX. Several companies, including Disney and Saks, are testing advanced AI agents to enhance consumer interactions, such as real-time ride updates and shopping concierge services driven by customer prompts. Predictions indicate that 30% of AI projects may be abandoned by the end of 2025, mainly due to challenges in data preparation rather than model implementation.
NVIDIA's Blackwell AI chip sees huge demand.
NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang reported insane demand for the upcoming Blackwell AI chip, which is expected to cost between $30,000 and $40,000 per unit. Major companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Meta are seeking Blackwell for their AI data centers powering products like ChatGPT. NVIDIA anticipates generating several $billion in Blackwell revenue and aims to improve its AI platform's performance significantly each year.
OpenAI's vision, the future of AI markets.
Mark Andreessen presented 2 potential futures for the AI industry at a recent conference, one with monopolistic profits and the other resembling a market driven towards minimal margins. OpenAI's Chief Product Officer Kevin Weil expressed confidence that despite the rise of open-source models, there remains a space for proprietary technology to thrive. While highlighted the importance of high-capability models and acknowledged that price competition will dictate the market dynamics going forward.
Exploring Gemini Live, a new AI voice assistant for Android.
Gemini Live is an AI voice assistant that offers human-like conversations and can handle multi-turn dialogues, making typical assistants like Siri or Alexa seem outdated. To use Gemini Live, Android users can download the app for free, sign in with their Google account, and start chatting by clicking the waveform icon. With features like understanding follow-up questions and providing contextual responses, Gemini Live enhances user interaction by addressing both straightforward queries and complex discussions.
Investors weigh complexities in OpenAI valuation.
OpenAI has secured a $6.6 billion investment, bringing its valuation to $157 billion, but potential investors face multiple complexities, including governance issues and a unique business structure that merges nonprofit and profit motives. The company's ambitious goal of reaching $100 billion in revenue in 5 years raises questions about demand for unproven products, making it challenging for investors to forecast potential returns accurately.
OpenAI secures additional funding to enhance AI development.
OpenAI has established a $4 billion credit line alongside a recent $6.6 billion investment round to bolster its financial resources for advancing AI technology. The company, now valued at $157 billion, faces increasing operational costs and anticipates losses exceeding $11 billion in 2025 as its user base grows rapidly.